Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop.com. Just did a video on the Diane Tangyun 2x2. So I figure let's do the other major 2x2 in this package that I got, which is the MoYu WeiPo WRM 2x2. Now, for those who don't know, the WR actually stands for without ridges, and it more stems from the GTS 3 that the WR was the GTS 3 without ridges. From what MoYu has said, they planned on making other puzzles with ridges and then just decided to scrap that idea, but they're still going with the without ridges WR. Pretty much 50 millimeters exactly. The shades use the new dark green that they're using on the Aosu WRM, so not the old green. Whoop, there we go. But this new darker one. I'm getting used to it. I actually kind of like it now. Turning. Ooh. Very, very, very light and fast. Whoa, what is going on there? Look how much those edges stick out. I've never seen a 2x2 with edges that stick out that much. Oh, that is fast out of the box. Corner cutting, not a ton. Interesting. Which really doesn't matter because it's more of a how it performs. You never actually have to corner cut over 40, or you shouldn't have to corner cut over 45 degrees during a solve. I like this turning though. It feels really nice. Here, what's in this accessories box? Screwdriver, spare magnets. No extra springs or anything. And some cards. Interesting. Okay. If there's anything under here maybe I'm just missing. Nope. Yep, no extra springs in this one. We'll just scramble it up and do a few solves. Wow, all of these starts are kind of crummy. Let me do a few more solves. I'm getting a little bit of catching, but it might just be getting used to this turning. I'm hoping tensions don't seem too tight. Okay, let's turn a bit slower. I'm going to try loosening it just a little bit. Okay, nothing seems like it's going to pop. A little bit better, but not great. There's definitely some weird catches that I'm not used to getting. I'm just going to be a little more accurate. I don't know how to feel about this. I really love the feeling of it, love the look of it, love the turning of it. But I don't know what that's about. Let's go the other way. Let's tighten it a bit. Sometimes things can catch when they're too loose. Or, you know, the reason things catch is because I'm turning inaccurately. But it's not as forgiving as some other puzzles. Well, here we go. Now, as you see, I'm not the fastest 2x2 solver, so I'm wondering if it's something I'm doing or if it could be worse for other people who are faster. Okay. Well, that's disappointing. Let me know if you've had the same issues, if you already have one, and if there's a tension or a fix that you found that works best. If you think there's something that I could try differently besides slowing down and turning more accurately, let me know. But definitely having some issues with this that I'm not super fond of. Well, if I could get it to not do those weird catches that I'm getting, this would be something I would use immediately at a competition just because I love the rest of the feeling of it. So we'll see. Maybe I'll make an updated video if something happens, and I'll explain what I did, what someone else helped me figure out. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe, more content like this in the future, and as always, stop by SpeedCubeShop for more news and reviews.